Hey guys, Tony Havranek here, Director of Fisheries at WSB. Today we're here electrofishing with a special guest.
John Cox, I'm a professional angler, and today we are going carp fishing.
When you're doing this natural resources work, you know, it's very complex. I mean, I know you know that, right? Like fish change, behavior is so hard to predict. Most of the time, the goal of what we're doing is to improve water quality or habitat. That's where we're going, right?
Right.
When you are able to do a project and it works, right, and you meet those goals, and to come back and see is like pretty dang cool.
Yeah.
We look at everything, like water quality, chemicals, disease, like trying to figure this out. And common carp were the main issue. They had become overabundant and they were just literally like grazing it to nothing.
Wow.
So we got the generator,
Okay.
right, producing our power. It's gonna go to our box, and the box we're gonna be able to regulate the amount of power that we're gonna put out. So our goal is to put the least possible amount of power out, but stun the fish. We're not killing them. So those are pressure mats. And so the idea behind that is if you were to fall off or something happens and you step off, the circuit's cut.
It'll cut the power
Yeah,
off.
and you'll hear the generator.
Safety switch.
Yeah, and I have 2 safety switches back here.
Nice.
Plus I could just reach over and
Cut it.
yeah.
All right, so these are the anodes that Tony was talking about earlier, that the electricity flows through these.
Okay.
So these will open up like big fingers and they'll get attached to the ends of these booms and we'll swing them out. And then that's where our fish are gonna be in that little array. There'll be 2 of these in the water and they'll drop down. We'll probably put about this much of the wire in the water.
Okay.
And then they should be hitting this. Wow. And not you.
Wow.